The Wanderer is a low-profile motorhome that seats and sleeps 4 people. We have a few different styles and layouts within the Wanderer range, but they're all very similar. The vehicle itself will either be a Fiat or a Ford.
Behind the driver's cab is the seating for the other 2 passengers, which also doubles as the dining area when parked up. The Wanderer's kitchen features a sink, gas stove and oven, so you can cook up a storm. The fridge will either be to the left of the kitchen or opposite. The Wanderer is equipped with all the kitchen gear you need. Here we have the bathroom. It will either be a combined cubicle like this one, or completely separate like this. When you're ready for a comfy night's sleep, we have the twin single beds in the rear. These convert to one large double bed. And the second bed lowers electronically from above the dining area.
The Wanderer has everything you need for a super stylish New Zealand getaway.